Is a will enough?
Is a will enough is an interesting question, and the answer generally is no. A will is never going to be, for most people, the end-all and be-all. Lots of clients are going to need trusts and other dispository type instruments in order to accomplish their estate planning objectives, especially if they have some wealth. They want to make sure that the tax man doesn't take away some or all a portion of their wealth. While federally speaking, most people are not going to be subject to the federal estate tax because the exemption now is north of $5 million. In fact, in 2015, it's going to be $5,430,000. But that doesn't mean states don't have their own estate tax, and they run the gamut from an exemption of $675,000 up until the $5 million federal exemption. So depending upon the state where the person is domiciled in when they pass away, state estate taxes can be a significant issue. So in many cases, a will not be enough in order to save estate taxes. And here, again, the CPA can play a pivotal role in not necessarily drafting the document, but in identifying the types of documents that can become relevant to the client and running the numbers to show the client, here's what your estate's going to look like without these estate planning tools, and here's what it's going to look like if we do A, B, and C, and you can see over time you're going to save X dollars. And we have found that when the CPA performs that service for the client, it's a real eye-opener for the client and really motivates them to take action, because it's one thing for me as the lawyer to say, well, I can draft a trust and it's going to do all these wonderful things for you and save you a lot of money. But when the CPA comes in with the chart that shows, assuming the assets in the trust grow at a certain rate over a certain period of time, and assuming you live to a certain expectancy, life expectancy, then your kids are going to get X million dollars more than they would have if you didn't do this. And that's what motivates people to take action when they can see it on paper, and we have found the CPAs play a pivotal role in fulfilling that function.